Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. Today, we're going to be bringing you some price updates across the market, mainly Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink, and Orchid. We're also going to get into Tezos probably a little bit, but before this video starts, guys, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for all the support. We're coming up on 2,500 subscribers. Kind of crazy. Make sure you go ahead and hit that red button. Let's go check out some of the prices today. Bitcoin did take a bit of a spill under 12K. We're looking at 11,750 right about. For Ethereum, it's still hanging above $400, which is a good sign. XRP is hanging out at 29 cents like it has been for a while. Chainlink obviously dipped. I think you'd be crazy if you didn't see a dip coming for Chainlink. In my opinion, it's still super overbought. I think there's good technology behind it, but I think that there was a lot of people FOMOing in, getting really excited, raising the price just off pure speculation, not necessarily the technology of Chainlink. So if I were you guys and I'd made money on Chainlink, I'd probably go ahead and sell out of that bag, but I'm not a financial advisor, so go ahead, do whatever you want, do your own research if you think Chainlink's a good hold. I'm not going to call you dumb for that. I think it's got a good future in this space, and I think you can still make money on it, but I think you can make more money in other spots. That's why I say sell Chainlink now. In terms of Tezos, guys, we're down to $3.65. Pretty typical, guys. Once again, this isn't about the technology. The whole market's just kind of taken a spill the past few days. We were doing too good for too long. We need to pull back like this. Stellar still chilling at around 10 cents. Let's go ahead and check out Orchid. We were talking about Orchid quite a bit in the past, guys. Orchid is sitting at 54 cents. At the peak of today, it did hit 60 cents again, but there's just a massive sell wall there, so it's going to be hard to break through 60 cents. But in the event that the bull market does return, I think that Orchid will end up breaking that 60 cents and hopefully going on a little bit of a run like we saw here, maybe even a little bit higher. So I think if you guys had a bag of Orchid, don't freak out. Don't sell your bag right now. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research. But for me personally, if I had bought, I did buy actually like around this range right around here, all throughout here. But for me personally, I'm just holding, guys. I'm so unbelievably confident that the Orchid's price will return to these levels by the end of the year, just because I know the market we're in. And as long as you guys have other holdings, I think it's a good idea to just hold onto your Orchid for the long term, guys, because once again, the market cap is so extremely low, and even if more Orchid dumps onto the market, it's not going to matter because the price just has so much room to grow. The technology of Orchid is, now that I've looked into it, is actually spectacular. I really do think Orchid's technology is going somewhere. DeFi VPN is quite incredible. So I think Orchid's going to be around for a long time. The price is just going to keep going up. That's where we're going to see hopefully $2, $3, $5, $10, maybe even $15, something crazy like that. If we ended up getting to $1 billion market cap, obviously the price would be so unbelievably high. I think it's a good idea to just hold on to your Orchid bag. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Go ahead and do your own research. But I am still hopeful on Orchid. Anybody telling you that you're an idiot for buying is just plain wrong. Orchid's technology, it's here to stay. It's only getting better on the day, so go ahead, get yourself a bag of Orchid if you haven't already, and just hold on to it, see what happens, guys. Take a little bit of a gamble there. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and do some analysis on Chainlink. Maybe we'll return to Orchid, and then we're going to talk a little bit about Ethereum and why I think Ethereum is a really good buy right now. So first off, Chainlink on the weekly, it's still up 27% just about, which is kind of crazy. On the monthly, up 106%. On the year, up 560%. But we can see just a total reversal. Honestly, this is a healthy pullback. I don't understand how we could have kept this up for much longer. The fact that it even went as long as it did is kind of crazy. So I think even if you sell right now, guys, you still got a massive gain, hopefully. You've basically been profitable on Chainlink if you bought in its entire history besides the last week or two. So I think if you have a bag of Chainlink, go ahead, sell that right now, get out of there, and just be happy with the profits that you made. But where do I think the price is going? I think it's just going to keep falling a little bit. I honestly believe that it might fall behind Bitcoin Cash again in terms of market cap. I think it's going to stay above Litecoin for quite some time, maybe even forever. I guess we're going to have to see how that plays out, but I think Bitcoin Cash will overtake Chainlink at some point. Maybe they'll start to go back and forth eventually, but yeah, I do think the Chainlink price has a little bit of, it's going to come down a little bit further than it has already. Let's look at Tezos real quick. So Tezos on the weekly is down just about 9%. On the monthly, 21.4%. And on the yearly, still up 200%. Now Tezos, guys, in my opinion, is a really good buy. Because as we can see, It had definitely some pretty crazy price movement, but nothing absolutely absurd. 21% on the month and 200% on the year is fantastic, no doubt. But when you compare it to Chainlink, it's really not that much, because it's not even half of what Chainlink saw. So for me personally, I'm buying Tezos right now. I think that it's still waiting for its mini bull run. I think it's going to take it to at least $10. So I think Tezos is a really good buy. If you get in right now, start staking your Tezos and earning that passive income. The money's just going to keep compounding, and you're going to be chilling whenever the bull run does happen. But just make sure you're getting out at the right times and you're doing your own research. But the market cap's still relatively low. It can literally double and catch up to Chainlink. So I'm going to say personally for Tezos, end of the year, it is going to break $8. Just putting that out there. Right now, you can go ahead and quote me later on, but I honestly do believe Tezos will hit $8 at some point in the future. So finally, let's go ahead and check out Orchid one last time. I'm going to tell you guys where I think the price is going, what events might play out. So on the week, still up almost 200%, which is kind of crazy. Honestly, this pullback is super healthy. There's no way, once again, like Chainlink, that we could have kept up something that crazy for too long without a pullback. So I'm almost glad that we are seeing this. I think it's a good time to buy in and just kind of hold. I honestly do believe there's a good chance we keep falling to like 40 cents or so. Basically kind of where it bottomed out here. Yeah, 48 cents seems kind of healthy for a price for Orchid. I don't see us going too much lower than that, just because of the bull run that we just saw. I think a lot of people are really excited, and if the price goes that low, I think a lot of people are going to end up buying in, hoping to make those gains again, because a lot of people made a lot of money. But for me personally, like I said earlier in the video, I think that Orchid is still set up for a very, very successful future. Once again, the market cap is so extremely low. It's got a lot of catching up to do to get to any of these other coins. I don't think the technology is that much worse. In some cases, I think it's even better than some of the coins that have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times the market cap than Orchid. So once again, I think Orchid is a really good buy. Go ahead, get yourself a bag. Don't even look at it for a couple months and just ride that baby to the top. $2, $3, you're going to be really happy you did it. Once again, guys, let me know in the comments what you thought of the video, what coins you're looking to buy right now. Definitely buying the dip right now. Let me know if you guys are as well. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We'll be back tomorrow, hopefully, with another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.